Technology options for captioning. There are a variety of sources available regarding the best practices for captioning. This list comes from the Described and Captioned Media Program, or DCMP. Caption accuracy. Errorless captions are, of course, the goal. Splitting video captions into appropriate, understandable sections assists with understanding the video. It is important that the text is broken up in a way that can be grasped immediately by the user. Consistency. Uniformity in style and presentation of all captioning is important for viewer understanding. Clear. A complete textual representation of the audio, including speaker identification and non-speech information, helps to provide clarity. Readable. Captions should be displayed with enough time to be read completely and are in synchronization with the audio. They should not be obscured by, nor should they obscure, any visual content in the video. Equal access requires that the meaning and the intention of the material is completely preserved. Locating the caption. Whenever possible, the captions should be placed so to avoid cutting off any portions of that visual. Requirements for captioning. Chunking. Chunk content. Make video short. Try to stick around that 7-minute range. Enunciation. Speak clearly so that the captions are more accurate. Audio descriptions. Make sure to clearly describe the images, tables, charts, graphs, whatever visuals you have for your viewer. Script or no script. If you choose to use a script, write it like you talk. Don't write it like you might post it on a website. Machine captioning versus manual captioning. Remember that machine captioning, something like using YouTube or Kaltura, is not correct. It's getting better, but it's not 100% correct, and it must be edited. Having a script does make it easier to caption and edit. Software options that we have for captioning. Rev, Kaltura MediaSpace, YouTube, and Camtasia. Let's talk about each one of these briefly. Rev. Rev relies on a network of freelancers consisting of transcriptionists, captioners, and translators. So you order your captions. They are human transcribed. The output is an SRT file or sub-RIP captioning files. This is a basic subtitle format and it's supported by most video players. SRT files do not contain any video. It's just a simple text file. You can choose to edit with most text editors. SRT files can be uploaded to Camtasia, YouTube, or Kaltura. Kaltura MediaSpace. Minnesota State students and employees have access to this media management system called Kaltura MediaSpace. This service allows members of Minnesota State institutions to create or upload, store, and share media content. So you have some options within Kaltura MediaSpace. You can upload and attach an existing caption title to the media. This would be adding the SRT file. You can order machine transcribed captions, and you do have the option to do editing within Kaltura as well. Or you can request human transcribed captions from third-party captioning service providers. In order to select videos within Kaltura MediaSpace for human transcribed captioning, an institution must first elect to adopt and implement this feature. This is a pay-for-service option. And of course, YouTube. which is an American video sharing website. With YouTube, you have some options as well. You can upload a caption file, like our SRTs that we've talked about previously. You can choose to have YouTube transcribe. It's machine-based. It is becoming more and more accurate. And the last option is actually to create the subtitles or the captioning yourself by typing in your script. The last software option for captioning is Camtasia. Camtasia is a software suite created and published by TechSmith for creating video tutorials and presentations via screencast. Camtasia has two major components, the screen recorder and the screen editor. Within the screen editor, we have a caption track. On the Mac platform of Camtasia, you would import an SRT file. Camtasia for Windows features speech-to-text ability for your video's narration or dialogue. The accuracy of that transcription, of course, can be affected by many factors, those including noise happening in the video and the overall quality of the audio. It is a great feature, but you definitely want to check the accuracy of the transcription before you share your video. So to review, software options that we at Ridgewater are most familiar with for captioning: Rev, Kaltura Media Space, YouTube, and Camtasia.